Starting around 25 August 2023, Bitcoin money generally is exchanging at $189.23 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.5%. In truly most recent 60 minutes, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. BCH essentially has a fundamentally complete market cap of $3,687,280,534, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $151,607,011 in an unobtrusive manner. This in a real sense makes Bitcoin money, BCH, in every way that really matters, positioning at 18 in the digital currency market, which especially is genuinely critical. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money explicitly be somewhat worth in 2023, especially in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Bitcoin money a generally excellent speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023? Which truly is genuinely huge. Will BCH cost most certainly outperform its unequaled high, which really is genuinely critical? These explicitly are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, which really is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost essentially is supposed to, in every way that really matters, cross a normal value level of $259.46. The normal by and large least value worth of Bitcoin money toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to generally be $248.26 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Besides, BCH can sort of arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $285.43 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Bitcoin money cost truly is figured to generally arrive at in a real sense, the most reduced cost of $214.92, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. The BCH cost could, in every way that really matters, arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $241.78, with the essentially normal expected cost around $235.06, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Bitcoin money cost basically is figured to truly arrive at the most reduced cost of $228.57, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The BCH cost could, in a real sense, arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $253.53, with the fundamentally normal expected cost around $239.77, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money, BCH value conjecture October 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH cost for October 2023 may by and large arrive at a genuinely least worth of $235.61, while the genuinely most extreme gauge cost really is around $263.12, in a kind of significant manner. The especially normal cost for BCH in every way that really matters is essentially anticipated to, in every way that really matters, reach $244.56 in October 2023 in a genuinely significant way. Bitcoin money value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the really most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could stretch around $275.35, which basically is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 truly is $242.94, with a very normal cost of $251.90, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could truly stretch around $285.43 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 for the most part is $248.26, with a typical cost of $259.46 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin money especially past value examination and the beyond 24 hours The crypto basically has been fundamentally diminished by 0.42% in its truly current worth in a genuinely large manner. Assuming we especially look at the very current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, or so they for the most part thought. From most recent 7 days, the BCH for the most part was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.46%, showing how Bitcoin Money BCH Value Expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin Money Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the BCH cost explicitly is supposed to fundamentally cross an especially normal value level of $259.46. The normal especially least value worth of Bitcoin Money toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to by and large be $248.26, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin Money most certainly has shown exceptionally kind of solid sort of potential of late, and this could be excellent chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, showing the way that the BCH cost could really arrive at and in every practical sense greatest cost of $253.53, with the sort of typical expected cost around $239.77 in an unpretentious manner. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the truly current cost and kind of beyond 30 days cost history, it is seen that Bitcoin Money truly has expanded 28.853% in its worth, showing that moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 really is $248.26, with a typical cost of $259.46, which truly is very critical. The truly normal by and large lease cost for the month fundamentally is $130.31, while certainly greatest sort of normal cost in a real sense was $134.63, showing how from absolute most recent 7 days, the BCH essentially was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.46%, showing how Bitcoin Money BCH Value Expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin Money Figure Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the BCH cost generally is supposed to in a real sense cross a sort of normal value level of $259.46, the normal pretty least value worth of Bitcoin Money, toward the finish of the truly current year ought to really be $248.26, or so they especially thought. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to essentially your arrangement of coins for truly long haul, which sort of is very huge. The 90 days cost change basically is around 30.35%, and the cost for the most part coursed from a sort of least commonly normal cost of $125.38 to genuinely greatest normal cost of $134.83 in the essentially beyond 90 days, or so they in a real sense thought. In every practical sense, most recent 4 months Bitcoin Money all things considered has shown a developing pattern in a